Are you new to bedroom accessories? You know you need something to be added to the fun. This new Buzz has been a godsend. And let me tell you why. It fits on a finger. It's called Me First. It vibrates, has ticklers on it. So whether you are doggy style and he's doing a reach around, you're doing it, you can use it for stimulation. This is called Me First. And if you need a small edition that's not too crazy so you can ease into bedroom accessories, I suggest grabbing one of these in my clickable store.